Okay, this is my new chop saw table. I have a drain, I call it the funnel, and it's got a grate with a bunch of diamond plate that is, his mission is to catch all, or a lot of the shards and stuff that keeps flying and funnel it to a little bucket. The bucket I used was from my pool, and I also built a new frame for my Evolution 2 chop saw because it was so flimsy. I decided to make it as well with 3/16" steel. So that's really my chop saw table with some nice diamond plating. And the funnel that I got was, I went to an AC duct manufacturer and they made me a duct for $50. It was 24 inches by 24 inches by 24 inches deep with the stovepipe. So that's basically my chop saw table, and I've used it a little bit, not a lot yet, but I will be using it a lot, and I won't have to clean up all the chards all the time. That's what I'm really sick of. So anyway, that's my chop saw table. I love it. It's working great so far. Thank you, YouTube. Have a great day.